Okay class, today we will learn some math. Excuse me young lady, you just burp, say excuse me.
No excuse me when I'm gonna fart this.
Violy. How dare you fart at class? Now people gets vomit because of you. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
I can't believe you burp and fart at classroom. That's it. You are suspended for 6 days. Go home now.
Violy, how dare you burp and fart at classroom? That's it. You are grounded for 2 days. Go to your room right now.